Good morning, everybody. Internet, friends, biking public. Well, I tell you, it's been a couple of days, and yeah, the project is getting larger by the moment. But, keeps me busy. But I was able to get out, a couple times yesterday. It's been warm. Been out on my Softail. And well, let's see. Put my thinking glasses on. This was hard to get out. I don't think this is supposed to go back and forth like this. Let's see that? Yeah, that one's probably okay. Probably have to do something with that. That's why this cover was hard to get off. I'm gonna need a couple of tappets. Let's see, is this one? Yeah. Focus. There we go. Focus. 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 Yeah, it's got a lot of movement. Let's say up and down. See? There it is. A couple of those. Let's see. I did take the frame, cleaned it off, and power washed it. Cut the tabs. They had like a piece of bracket there. Nothing on the other side because it had, well, I ordered the two weld-on ones, so when that comes in, I'll weld this side and then that side. I think this is an FX frame. They did something back here, so I went ahead and cleaned that up and smoothed it up. I painted the frame real quick. Who sees the frame anyway? A strong frame to me is much better than a fancy frame, but I gotta clean that up. But yeah, this was, well, it sat over on this piece here. You can see that because it had a belt drive, so that's what held the footboard on that side. So I'll have the belt unit for sale. I'll stick it on eBay. Let's see. Yeah, they did have quite a job here. That was, so I'm waiting for the puller for this. I made one years ago, but I see now they got ones that are much better. Here's the one I made, back in the 80s. You can find the holes. I welded that up years ago. But I thought, for $35, let's get one that might not cause harm because it actually rotates in here like this. So it'll pull that off. I'll take this off. Maybe I can fix that. Or I got to look for a for an inner housing. This was weird. I don't know what that was for. I don't know. But got the cranny cleaned up. Let's take a peek. At least it's cleaned up. A little crowded around here. Yeah, that's cleaned up. The engine, let's see. Let me grab my little, well, it's my wrist pin, so I make it my gauge. So I think the oil pump, which I'll get to, either was put in correctly or failed. I've got that's pretty good there. That's for the rear. But here's the front one. So that's not good. So I got two of those bushings on order and the tool that actually puts it in rather than to hammer on something. Yeah, I got that. Oh yeah, here you go. Wait a minute, let's see. So I'm probably going to have to get a housing. That's not good. And I think that gear was real hard to get off, but I was able to clean up Let's see. Oops, not this end. Nope, this is this end. Where'd you go? Oh no, it's this end. So I was able to clean it up because it wouldn't slide on and off. It was a real chore to get that out of there. So I did find the clip, but it didn't have the little keyway like those two are for those. Well, it didn't have that. So I just don't think it got oil, and then yeah. So like I say, I got that apart. And like I say, I power washed the tranny. I'll go through the tranny, take a peek at it. I got to get the tool to take this off. I probably should split the case, clean it out real well. This, it's pretty quiet, you know. It's got a little bit of side play, but not really up and down. But I know you're supposed to check it without oil. This here is a little bit more. But it is smooth, you know. Going around, it's smooth. It's not weird, chunky or anything. So, and the gears look fine. I'll wash it out. It's just about where I've got. I've got to get a wiring harness. Oh, and the jug. Like I say, the front jug. There's some... there we go. Yeah, it's rusty, but then there's also probably half the piston attached to the wall. So I found a front jug. Well, there it is. There we go. It didn't come with a front piston. It came with a rear piston. The rear one seems to be okay. I don't know. I ball hone maybe. I mean, I'd like to do that and then just use these stock size that I've had for quite some time. Actually, from my 75 when I rebuilt the motor in the mid-80s. I think. Yeah, somewhere in there. But I did buy a jug. It's used. Hopefully, I know there's a certain amount of clearance between piston and wall, and I have to figure that out once I clean them. But I don't know. I got to do more research. Can I just ball hone this and then check my clearances? I'm definitely going to have to find a, because these have been wallered out, re-drilled, next size, and then the thread's bad again. So need two heads, and probably better go with rocker boxes. I can see. Do I have one here? Oh yeah, where did that go? Yeah, this don't look good. I don't know what they were going for there. Half inch, maybe? So, even though these are dual plug heads, I guess I could take them somewhere and have them redone. But maybe I could find a used basic set. I don't care if it has single plug. That's fine. I've had single, had dual. Yeah, I've heard that it is better with the dual. But, yeah, heads, rocker boxes, that's what I got to hunt for. Yeah, that's about it. Oh, and the rear tire. I know it's getting to be a long one here. I got this one, and I got it soaking and cleaning up, so I think I can make this a front tire. Or it could be a rear. I'll have to look into that. This one here, yeah, that was the rear. That it don't look too good. And then this seemed to have gotten a little loose. I just don't think there's any preventative maintenance done here on this bike for a few hundred years. Oh well. Well, thanks everybody for listening to my rambling on. Oh yeah, I'll strip those down. I got kind of a violet purple color thinking. I mean, this is long term. Thank goodness I got my regular bike to ride. And bike if I want to go on the trail. And or my other bike. I just never put plates on it. This is my neighbor's plates. But I never put plates on it, but that's a cool bike too. You know, I just happen to like the ones with 16 on the front, 16 on the back. So I'll catch you guys later. Hope you had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. May we have a great year. May we have health, safety, peace, love. Catch you guys later. Guess I gotta get back to work. No, I better go have something for breakfast. Catch you guys later. Bye-bye.